Good morning, family. It's Jim Hawkins. I'm on location at one of the churches that I live near. I did this real fast because of the background, the fall colors, the early morning sun coming up. Just wanted to come to you today just real fast, as always. So if you're not aware, O News 18 came out the other day. A lot of good information on that. Please go to your OES, check it out. Check out your social medias and see what's been going on. There's a lot of stuff going on. I wanted to share, this is not a numbers game. There are people joining. A couple days ago, there was about 34,000 people. Just early this morning, there was a post, there's about 70,000 people. It's not about the numbers, but I'm going to share this. Numbers don't lie. This company, again, this current platform that we have is called #VictoryWithAsh.com. You can go check it out. You have to be invited in. There are people out there who are able to invite. Get with some of these people. Ask if I could share this information. So I was never a YouTuber in the past, but because of this business and because of what's been going on with it, I just found it to be an easy way to communicate out there to the public, out there to the former founders, now just members or affiliates, not even affiliates, we're just members or participants. Can I recommend, if you don't have a YouTube, do what I do. Grab your mobile phone, try to get your thoughts organized and what you want to say. Create a little video, go to YouTube, add your little video, and that will be a helpful bit of information so that if you don't know anyone that has a link, that has opportunity to invite you, this might be a good way for you to introduce yourself, tell who you are, what your goals are, what your visions are, what your dreams are. Again, this is just a little bit of information. I'm not telling you to do that. This is just my suggestion. That way a lot of us can determine, using the ASH method. ASH, I believe, used a lot of the social medias and a lot of the YouTube videos to choose a group of people for the priority placement. I believe that was a good starting point for people. Again, not telling you what to do, but just as a recommendation, as a friendly recommendation, go out there, put yourself out there, don't be afraid. Again, this Victory with Ash is a platform for everyone. Again, as I mentioned in my previous videos, you will get in. Just wait, just be patient, but there's room for everyone. And again, just to show, this is going to be a teaching platform. It's not the business itself, it's just a teaching platform. We're going to make teachers, and so on and so on. So again, the numbers don't lie. We're not interested in numbers. We're just interested in people that are like-minded, just like we are, who are going to get out there and make this business thrive. So again, this teaching platform Ash has created, he's going to be bringing in these instructor people that he knows throughout his life, and they're going to teach us all the updated methods and learning how to either market, put ourselves out there, not to be afraid, how to be kind, how to be thoughtful for our business as we proceed through this. So again, don't be shy, don't be afraid. But that's about all I got. As always, I'm always going into work. I don't know if you've noticed, I work a lot, and this is one thing that hopefully this business someday will create an opportunity for me not to have to work so much. So anyway, I love you guys. If I didn't mention, today is November 8th, 2025. It's early in the morning. It's like 7:15 in the morning. So again, I love you guys, and please like and subscribe. Not only to me, but to all these other people, wonderful people that are putting out videos, some daily, some like me, just randomly. But be out there sharing our information. So again, I love you guys, and I will talk to you probably when something else comes up. Thank you very much, and I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.